I love the sunshine. Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather and I do love sunshine. But this cookie right here is all the sunshine you're going to need this fall and winter season when there's no sun left. Let me just tell you what, they're amazing and they're a copycat of the NY Levain Bakery. They are so good. Now there's a couple things that you have to note about this recipe. You do need to use cake flour. It is very important. I tried not using cake flour. They were good, but they were not this good. So get yourself some cake flour and continue with this recipe. So let me tell you what's in it. A pound of chocolate, 2 kinds of flour, half a pound of walnuts, 4 egg yolks with 2 of the whites, a cup and a fourth of butter, brown sugar, white sugar, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. These cookies are amazing. Are you ready for this? Super easy to make too. You'd be wondering why you didn't make them any sooner. Well, maybe because you haven't tried them yet. They're so good. They're my sunshine. Ready? Let's go. All right, so first we're going to put the butter into our stand mixer. And this is just a room temperature butter. It's just really hot here in Northern California right now still. We don't have fall, we still have summer, which I love the sun, so it's fine. But my butter is practically melted, even though it's just room temp. Weird. Plus, I have my air fryer going. I'm sure you're super surprised my air fryer is going. So it's a little warmer in here than normal, but that's okay. So if you hear the whir of the air fryer, and yes, that is for a different video. Yes, you'll see that video maybe next week. It's a super exciting one. And we are gonna add our brown sugar and our white sugar. And we're just gonna cream it together until it's just light and fluffy. So it's not gonna take long. All right, that looks good. All right, now we're gonna add in our eggs one at a time and just let them incorporate slowly until they're all in. All right, while those are incorporating, let's go ahead and sift together our flour, our cake flour, that's all-purpose flour, cake flour, cornstarch, salt, and baking soda. And all these measurements are gonna be in a recipe linked in the comments below, so you'll want to download it. It's really good. All right, once completely sifted, we're just gonna add it right to the stand mixer. And that's it. I'm gonna probably add it with a little measuring cup here. The key is though, do not over mix this batter. We just wanna bring it right together and then turn it off. Because if we work cookie batter too long, it becomes tough and we don't want it to be tough. We want it to be light and fluffy like a cake. All right, so let's just get it in. All right, so once you see it about here, that is ready to go. Ready to go. However, I have some flour still on my beaters. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock off my flour and give it one more spin. And probably I'll go ahead and scrape down the bowl just to make sure we got all the butter up from the bottom and that everything looks really well incorporated. Let's grab this off of here and scrape down our batter because we want to incorporate our chocolate and our walnuts. Now, if you are using a bar of chocolate of some sort, you would want to chop it up, but I'm using just chocolate chips, so I don't need to chop it up. All right, so that batter looks so beautiful. Okay, let's dump in our walnuts and our whole pound of chocolate. I'm not even sad. So good. Look at that cookie dough. Just look at it. So beautiful, so delicious. And now we must wait. This absolutely has to go into the refrigerator to chill for 1 hour. It'll be worth it. Just trust the process. These cookies are amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it into the refrigerator for 1 hour, and I'll be back to shape them into 6-ounce balls, then get them back in the refrigerator for 20 more minutes while my oven heats up, and then we're gonna have cookies. I can't wait. See you in a little bit. All right, it has been well over an hour, and now we are going to measure out these cookies. Now, to make them perfect, they need to be 6 ounces. Do you know how big 6 ounces is? Let me show ya. This is a cookie. It's on the ounce mark. So I'm gonna take my large scoop from Pampered Chef here, and we are going to measure out 6 ounces of cookie. Literally 6 ounces of cookie. Let me just put this in size perspective for you. You see this? 6 ounces of cookie. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make them into nice little balls, and we're gonna stack them right on the cookie sheet, because that needs to go back into the refrigerator for 20 minutes while we preheat the oven. All right, and there we have it. 11 made, ready for the refrigerator. 20 more minutes in the refrigerator to make sure they're well cold. And then we're gonna preheat the oven to 425, and then we will get them in and I'll show you the results. See you soon. All right, straight out of the refrigerator, we are gonna take these balls. We are going to stick them right in the middle of our baking tray, and we are going to push just slightly, or a lot, whichever. All right, now when they're kind of disc shape-ish, but still cold, we are gonna put them in the preheated 425 oven for 10 minutes. And I'll see you back here in 10 minutes to show you these bad boys. Amazing. All right, the cookies are out, and you have got to see this. Look at these. It is a very good idea to let these cool, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I am gonna go ahead and break one open for you, show you this amazing inside. Look at how beautiful that is in the inside. Hopefully you can see that. Amazing cookie. That is so good. They're crispy, they're cakey, they're unlike any cookie you will ever eat. And they are so good. All right, you guys, well, that's it for me. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and if you ever want to see me adventure on something that you're not willing to, leave me a comment and I'll see what I can do. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.